In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean data in Google Sheets. So what you want to do is, of course, first open up your Google Sheets where you have some data. So I've pasted some random names from a generator in here, so we have some random data. And then what you want to do is simply select that data, okay, so the entire range, just like I did over here, and then go to data over here, up on the task toolbar, and then you want to go down to where it says data cleanup. Now you can click on cleanup suggestions and it will give you some cleanup suggestions, but as you can see, for me there's no suggestions available. And yeah, with those you can get more stats and visualizations about your data, as you can see over here. And you can also review column stats. You want to click on it, and there we go. It counts different frequencies and values over here, gives you total rows, empty cells, and unique values and stuff like that. So it can be very, very good. Now we can also inspect different columns over here or ignore different rows if you would like to, as you can see. And yeah, you can also see distribution over here and pretty much everything. So that's very handy. But now if you want to clean up your data, of course, as we said, you want to select this, go to data, data cleanup, and then you can remove duplicates over here. You want to click on it, and then you want to select which columns you would like your Google Sheets to analyze, and select whether data has had a row or does not. In my case, it doesn't, so I'm going to click remove duplicates. And there we go. It removed all the duplicates and 5 unique rows remain, as you can see, and 10 duplicate rows were found and removed. There we go. Now, what's next? You can also go back here and trim the white space. So I click this, it says no selected cells had white space trimmed, but if you have any white space inside your cells, this will trim them and make them cleaner. And that's exactly how you clean data in Google Sheets.